heart arrows, all from Dollar Tree items, except for the little label that I made for it. I took a pick and 2 table scatters for this project. I made sure that my pick was centered onto the one of the hearts, and I used the smaller hearts. This is so that this will make it look like an arrow. And once I had that onto the heart, I then came on the other side and I hot glued around the edges. I saw this on someone's Facebook, I saw this on an individual's multi number of Valentine's Day projects, and I just fell in love with it. I thought it was so cute. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? And then with my silhouette, I printed out these on cardstock paper that says, "You make my heart beat extra." I made my dimensions on my gum package. I made them 2.5 by 3 7/8. It's 3 across, but you can make it as shorter as long as you want. And I wanted a little bit of the dark pink to show through. I'm loving the pink this year for Valentine's, and so as you've seen on my channel here, I've done a lot of pink items. So there we go. Look at how cute that is. Just a little wrapper, and then I just flipped it over here, and I will hot glue this to the back of our pick, making sure that it's even. And I just eyeballed it. Look at how cute that pick is. For this project, I am going to use a template from andrinascreation.com. This is not a sponsored ad or a paid advertisement. I just love this little box because I think it is absolutely cute. You will need some kind of cutting machine in order to create this, or you could download the template on paper and cut it out by hand. I used my Silhouette Cameo and I cut out all of the layers for the project as you see here. The template is really cute and easy, and I think that it is roughly $4 or $5, but again, it's a template that you download so you can use multiple times. I also printed out some Louis Vuitton or LV labels, LV design onto the layers of the template and glue those onto our boxes. Now, I am using 65-pound paper, but with each of the layers, as you layer the template up, it makes it stronger and heavier. And that's one of the reasons that I love Andrina's creations designs, because the layers make it look classier and it makes it stronger without having to use 110-pound paper. And so we'll just fold this over and glue the flaps down. Be careful when you put your glue on if you decide to create this, because you don't want too much glue. It'll squish out and seal your box closed flat. Now that I have my box completed, I will start to form the ends of the box by gluing on the labels or gluing the tabs down. And again, this is Andrina's creation. Just absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's so cute. It's so simple, and it's a great last minute idea, a classroom idea or coworker idea, or just someone that you want to show a loving gift to at the last minute. I picked up this sucker from the Dollar Tree in a bag of 12, I believe, with the little hearts on there. And it's a perfect fit. All you have to do is make sure that you pull the, close the paper of the sucker wrap down and center it up in the box. And then lastly, I added my LV. And here we are. How cute, how cute, how cute. Love it. Simple and easy. And for our third and simple gift, I downloaded a template from the Silhouette Studio store and designed the hearts the way that I wanted them to look and printed them out on paper. Once I had everything printed out and cut, I put together all of my pieces, and I'm just showing you the box lid because it's a repeat, rinse and repeat type of project. You want to make sure that you have all of your items dry fit before you put the glue on them to make sure that they work. If you're still here and watching this video at this point, I would love for you to subscribe. I am trying to grow my channel and to revise it. On this channel, you see all kinds of art craft projects, not just one style. I love crafting, so I do everything from paper arts to glam and glitz to epoxy projects. You name it, I will probably try it and put it on the channel. So I would love for you to join us and participate. We also do Sundays, live Sundays, work with me at 1 p.m. every Sunday, unless I am traveling. So now that we have all of our boxes made, we will put them together, and this little cute project turned out like this. Simple, easy, really cute projects for you to gift to someone at the last minute. It takes probably a half an hour to 2 hours, depending on how you want to design your project. Enjoy! I hope that you liked them. Give me a thumbs up, and we will see you in our next video.